How to market your NFT Discord server. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to market your NFT Discord server to grow your community and get more members. So let's get started. When it comes to creating our own NFT project or whenever we launch an NFT collection, we create our own Discord server. Discord community is an important part of NFT community. And when you have a Discord server, let's say that you created a new collection and you created a Discord server. Now, the thing is that we need to market our Discord server so that more and more people can join our server and become the part of our community. And this way, we will be able to grow our NFT project. And this way, we will get more mintings and eventually make more sales if you're selling NFTs. So, this is an important part of marketing when it comes to Discord NFT servers. And today, this is what we will be discussing, and I'll show you how you can market your NFT Discord servers. That being said, let's get into it. So, first of all, open up discord.com and you will land right here. So, you can see that every NFT collection and every NFT project has its own NFT server. And the first thing that we can do as a complete beginner, we are not that famous, we don't have big companies behind us to actually give us that market. So what we can do is join as many Discord servers as you can and join the servers that are already famous. For example, you can see that I have different servers that I am part of. You can see I am part of different Discord servers. This is Fox Fam, then there is World of Women, this one OpenSea, Rarible, so all of these different Discord servers. And if I open them up, let's open this one up. You can see it has 500 members. So 500 people that are actually looking for NFTs and are interested in NFTs. So what we do is we simply invite these members to our group as well, to our server. So all you need to do is you can just open this person up and you can like write a message or check their code from here, their ID, and just invite them into your group. Similarly, I can go for this one, which is the official group for OpenSea, and OpenSea is actually a platform where I have my NFT collection too. You can see it has 239K members. That's a lot of members. So what I can do is I can just add and invite all of these members or just some members, even 200, 500, and out of those 500s, even if 200 say that they don't want to join or they leave, I will still get 300 people for free. And this is how we invite people to our group, and this is how we can grow our community. So this is the first way. If you are struggling to invite people to your groups, if you're struggling to add members, then you can do this trick as well. Everybody does it, and you will actually get a very active members that are looking for NFT collections. So this is the first way you can market and you can invite people to your NFT Discord server. Now, Discord also allows us to actually market and grow our NFT community within Discord. How? Open up the server, whatever server you have. Like this is the server that I have for my NFT collection. You can see it says the Bitcoins. Now I'll just click right here and I will open up the server settings. In server settings, what I want you guys to do is simply go to the community and click on enable community. Scroll down and you will actually find that Discord now allows you to actually grow your community and it helps you keep members engaged. So these are the two things that you need to check out. Grow your community, apply to be in server discovery so more people can find your server directly on Discord. So this is what you need to do. Just open it up and apply for server discovery. This means that your server will be added in the discovery section of Discord, and whenever somebody will click on discover, your server will be the part of that that we have server discovery option on Discord. So this is the best way to market your server. And if people are looking for NFT servers, new NFT projects, your server will be the part of that discovery, and it will be one of the results. People will check it out and they'll be like, okay, this is the server and we should join it, and this way you will be able to market it. Then we have keep members engaged. Access looks like server insights that can better. So this is for the insights, and it also helps you to keep your members engaged. And keeping members engaged is one of the important parts when it comes to growing your NFT community. So these are the two options available within your Discord to market your Discord community. Moving on, I have another platform for you guys, which is Disboard. Go ahead and check out disboard.org. Now, this is one of the marketing platform for Discord servers, and it is also like discovery servers. Right here, you can see that a lot of different servers are added, and you can join them from here. And this is all marketing, and what we can do is we can also log in with our server right here with our Discord ID, and then after that we will have our own Discord server. You can just list it here. Once you do that, then it will be shown here and people will be able to join your Discord server. So this is like an amazing opportunity for you. It's you can go ahead and just join disboard.org, which is a marketing platform for Discord servers. The next way you can market your NFT Discord server is going to be through Twitter. What you can do is simply go to twitter.com and create your own NFT, Twitter account. So a lot of NFT Twitter accounts are available, and whenever we create our NFT collection, we also create a Twitter account. So what you can do is you can add your Discord in your Twitter right here, because a lot of people do not have Discord but they have Twitter. Like everybody uses Twitter, and you can see this NFT collection CryptoPunk has 248.7k followers on Twitter. So they have added their Discord at the first. Like this is the link for their Discord, and whenever somebody checks out their profile on Twitter, they are also driven to their Discord. So this is very important when it comes to your NFT collection, and you will see that every NFT account has its own Discord server added right here in the bio. So this is the best way to market your NFT collection, and this is the best way to market your NFT Discord server especially. So it does not charge anything. All you need to do is just get your link from your Discord. For example, I'll just go to my account and I'll get my server link, and then I can just go to my Twitter and add the link right here saying that this is my Discord, and people will be able to join it really easily with the link given. So this is the way we market it. We market our Discord NFT server. You can also add the link for your Discord on your OpenSea. We know that even on Rarible, whenever you open up any NFT, we can also add our Discord server. So you make sure to add a Discord server in your OpenSea or on your Rarible too. Then if you have a website, make sure to add a Discord server in your website too. I'm not telling you about any third-party application here because I don't want you to, go ahead and do the great promotions and pay a lot. You can actually market your NFT Discord servers very easily with these basic ways by adding your link to your Twitter, adding your link to your OpenSea, adding your link to your website, and then also inviting people on your Discord also, and then checking out these settings in your server, so you don't have to pay extra and you can market your Discord server really easily. Make sure to apply for the discovery of your server too, so that you can market and get more and more people. This way you will be able to grow your community and sell more NFTs. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.